Right, Two Hearts by Phil Collins, the introduction, which is like instrumentally. Now the chords you can play simply or you can embellish them. I'll play it through with the embellishments and explain what I'm doing, but I'm following the chords that I've worked out on the chord sheet that I've posted. Starts off with C major 7, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the introduction. Then it goes into the reason to believe she'd always be there. Okay, ignore that bit. We'll just explain the introduction. C major 7. Just have a look at the diagrams. I'm not going to sort of tell you what to do. They're on the diagrams. C major 7. No. A minor. Then it's. So I'm playing that over the A minor, and fold into the D, and into the G. That's it. Ding off the top. So bottom string here, this string. When you go to the D here, and then extend up to the 5th fret, into the G. Then it goes into the G, F sharp minor 7. And I play G like this, so it's an ordinary G but with a bar, and then playing on the 5th fret of the top string. Now that is G. There's G, and this is G, which is like the D shape I play sometimes down here, but taken up to the 7th fret, and then that's on the 10th. And on the tab you'll see it says 7, 7, 10, which is 7, 7, 7, 10, and then just come down to like the D major 7, and that's well. And they're the same chords as on that second bit of the introduction. So that's it for the intro on the first bit.